Welcome to the Window Wisdom Podcast, your guide to replacement windows and more. Hi, I'm your host, Ted Kirk, and this is our 16th episode. Today we have some special guests with us from Lakeside Renovation Design out of St. Louis, Missouri. Just exchanging business information, and it looks like the owner, Matt Merrifield, and Kyle Gimmer drew the short straws today, so they got to be on the podcast. So welcome, guys.
Hey, thank you very much.
Good to be here.
Well, we won't make it too hard on you. So just had a few questions. We figured since you were here in the office, we'd grab you and put you on the podcast. And can you explain to our podcast listeners, why are you guys here?
We came down here to learn more about specifically how to be a better company as far as selling windows, installing windows, taking care of our customers, taking care of our employees. That's basically why we came down.
Well, that's an honor to have you down here, considering you've got a little bigger company than we do, and it seems like you guys are doing things very well. So we're thankful to have you, and we've learned a lot from you as well. So can you tell us a little bit about some of the things that you've learned while you're here?
I will on probably the less technical side. I think I am passionate about business and people and growing our business and setting our people up for success, more and more success and opportunity, and probably don't give my ear to many people and have been impressed with just seeing another business in this industry, which is an industry that has a lot of really good companies and a lot of not great companies. And I think we are fighting upstream at times, and to see another company that's passionate about their employees and running a successful business is just, I think, encouraging as much as anything. And yeah, seeing some of the day in, day out operations as well, and seeing people passionate about their product, I think that's probably the thing that has stuck out to me the most. We offer a variety of different services and products, and then walking into a company that specializes in one of the products that we sell and kind of lives and breathes that, I could see it in the passion in which they sell that product. And that's been encouraging for me to take home and really look at how we can better engage the marketplace with the product that we offer.
So you guys do offer the Infinity from Marvin window. How long have you offered the Infinity from Marvin window?
We've actually offered it probably since late 2006, so 2007 on.
Wow. So yeah, that's a lot longer. So you guys have a lot of experience with that product. What do you think about that product? What drew you into Infinity from Marvin?
Fiberglass. I mean, first of all, it is much stronger than, actually, it's 8 times stronger than vinyl. And not only that, it's a great looking product, has narrow lines so that you can see through the glass. Just the best window on the market.
So that pretty much sums it up, what you think about the window for sure. How about some advice for homeowners? Obviously, this podcast is Window Wisdom. We, try not to, we're just not selling product or anything like that, but we want to be helpful for homeowners. We're educating them about product and different technologies regarding windows. What advice can you give homeowners that are considering windows, or perhaps any home improvement project in general? You guys have been at this a while. What can they do to make sure that they're making a good decision?
Yeah, I think 2 words that stick out in my mind that I think I try to lead with and run our company with is empathy and expertise. And find a company that is passionate about their products and knows the products that they sell quality products, sell a quality warranty, and have quality people, and then are there to help and listen and make your dreams become reality. And if they walk in the door and they have a mind to help and to be there for you, and know the things that they're talking about and have the ability to service your specific need, then yeah, that's a company to go with.
Love it. So I guess what you're saying is we really need to listen to the homeowners, listen to what they're looking for, make sure we're hearing that. I like the alliteration there: empathy, expertise. That's great advice. So you guys being out of St. Louis, how's the market been in St. Louis for you?
Crazy. It's very busy. I think sitting there 6, 8, 10 months ago, right when all of COVID broke out, you're just trying to figure out how to survive and what the world's going to look like. And then, pretty quickly we really just looked at a really bad situation and tried to find the positives in it. And the positives are people are spending a lot more time at home and wondering what life's going to look like if there's another pandemic, and they want a beautiful home and they want a place that feels comfortable, that they can have to be in maybe an uncomfortable amount of time. And so they've started to walk around more and see what they need done, and have a little bit more potentially discretionary, if that's the right word, income that they can use to improve their homes. So it's been surprisingly busy 2020, given everything going on.
That's good. Have you guys experienced any supply issues in your line of business in terms of your window deliveries or any of your other products? Just wondering how Infinity is stacked up there, and how has that helped your business along in this difficult time? We know that it's important that you're able to get the product, and COVID's had a big impact not only on individuals but obviously businesses as well. Can you share how that's impacted you guys?
Yeah, it's funny you point that out. Actually, with Infinity, I don't think there's not really been an effect. But if you go into any vinyl product, whether that's gable vents for siding, vinyl siding, vinyl windows, all of those things are months out. They're basically almost 3 months out from the time you order it, and you don't get any notification when it's coming in. You just find out it's there one day 3 months later, if you're lucky.
That hasn't been the case with Infinity, so we've been lucky in a lot of different ways.
That's awesome. Well, appreciate you guys being here, and just sharing a little information about your company and your experiences with Infinity as well. I think sometimes it's good for the podcast listeners just to hear from somebody besides myself. I know they get tired of hearing me. So thank you guys for being here, and congratulations to Kyle Gemmer in his recent promotion as the general manager of Lakeside Renovation and Design. And we appreciate all of you guys being here and sharing all the information about your business, helping us improve our business, and hopefully we gave you a few nuggets to help you as well.
Definitely. Thank you.
We appreciate it. It's been fun.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to subscribe wherever you get your podcast, and join us next time for more window wisdom.